Bartell here with an F2Give.com, and I am excited about another Stitch Fix unboxing video. My daughter Brooke, can you say hi, Brooke?
Hi.
She's gonna help us and go through all of the goodies that our stylist sent us this time around. I don't think I gave them any information about what I was looking for, so this one will be fun. You ready to unbox? Yeah? All right. Hold on, let me. Alright, hold on, let mommy use that. Hold on. Oh my gosh, okay. Calm down, calm down. Okay, stop. Okay. So we gotta open this up. Can you tell she's very excited? This tells us the prices. Okay. Ow, sissy. It's okay, ready? Let's put one at a time, sis. One at a time. Let's show. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? All right, so this is called it's a 41 Hawthorne. I like that the brand. So this is a Tiffany Tulip sleeve blouse in burnt orange. Let's see the front.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's see what the cost is. So this one is $58. All right, you want to grab the next one? Whoa. Oh, what is this? Ooh. Oh, that's cute too.
I love that.
You love it. This one is Collective Concepts. And this one, hold on one second. This one is $64. This, though, is a long sleeve blouse.
I
It's
like
got
that.
kind of a really neat
Mommy, I
lace
like
pattern.
that.
Do you? I like it too. Look, it's got kind of like a sheer sleeve. Hold on, sis. Anyways, here that is black. All right.
I like that.
Okay. You want to grab the next thing out for me? All right. Thank you. Okay. Now we've got, and this, I like the color. This is Paper Moon. It's another brand that I like. The Ampton back detail knit top in olive. This one's $34.
I like that.
So this has got this really cute detail in the back. You like to smell them? You're kind of goofy. Why do you smell them? Whoa. Good catch, Mom. You almost came flying out of there. Sorry, guys. Yay, parenting. Anyways, that one's cute. All right. Number 3. You want to grab number 4? All right. Number 4 looks like, okay. Gosh, I cannot believe it's already fall. This looks to be a long sleeve dress or turtleneck. Hold on.
I like that one.
This is this is the 9 Britain. Marby cowl neck Hachi knit dress in light gray. This one's $48.
I got it.
You got it? All right, hold on to that.
I like it.
Here is, it's very soft. Feel how soft that is.
Whoa.
Whoa. Is it soft? All right, that might be cute. We'll have to try that on. And then last one. My goodness. Oh my, okay, these are pants, okay. You just, hold on, I just dropped. And last but not least, we have, okay. Oh, they're stretchy, I love stretchy pants. These are called Tribal, that's that same brand. Tribal.
We need to do some more.
Hold on, sis. Fia printed trouser in dark gray, and these are $58.
We need to get them.
Cute.
We
Okay.
need to get more.
So to recap, all of it together is $262, but if I get all of them, it's $65.50 off, which is a total of less than $200. So now it is time to try on. Want to say bye? Thanks for watching our unboxing video. You can find more fashion, fun, finds, and family and friends and all sorts of Fs over at anf2give.com. I'm Heather Bartell. This is my beautiful daughter Brooke, and we will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.